We are removing a 4L60E. We went ahead and removed all the bell housing bolts up here. Disconnected the shifter linkage in the car. Still need to disconnect it right here. Shouldn't be a problem. Went ahead and got the drive shaft out by disconnecting those 4 bolts down there and the whole cross beam, which we went ahead and took out from the car. As you can see, this slides out, and as you can see, it's leaking. What we're going to be doing is, we got this beam here. I left 1 bolt on each side. There was another one down here, right here. We removed that one. We're going to go ahead and slowly lower this down. I'm going to let it drain out a little bit more, and hopefully we got all the bolts out of the bell housing. I haven't disconnected the torque converter. So there you can see I've got the cross member now lowered. Jack under the pan. Slowly going to lower it down. And obviously I'm going to let it drain out here. I don't want to make a huge mess here. So I'm going to do everything I can to catch the fluids that come out of there. So while you're in here and you're under here lowering it, when you get to this point, you're going to want to go ahead and get all of your linkages and stuff disconnected. There might be some plugs like on the other side. I know there's 1 plug. And then, yeah, slowly lower it, check, lower it, check. Just try to pay mind to what you're lowering, and you don't want to be yanking on anything important. Alright guys, so we got 2 jacks under here. I ran a strap across here to these little holes just to be safe. We've got the transmission separated. So that right there is from the line on the other side that you can't see. One of these. Gonna slowly keep yanking the jacks a little bit so we can get this off the torque converter here, and then once it's all the way off and we're clear, I'm gonna go ahead and lower it down. My phone's gonna die. So I got that transmission tipped as far as I can get it right here to drain it. Up in here in the bell housing, which you guys can't see, I went ahead and pried it almost all the way off the torque converter. It's like barely hanging there. As you can see from the lighting, even the transmission is kind of hanging. It's only got just right now on this ratchet strap. Alright, I'll see if I can get it out for you guys, and I'll show you what anything you might have missed. Alright guys, so I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of what just happened, because I got this transmission out. So on the other end there, those 2 transmission lines, they were snagging up on the transmission. You're going to want to do everything you can. Take those off, get them out of the way. What was happening was, this was getting caught on the torque converter, and so every time we try to lower it and raise it, it was going into the torque converter again, making it seem like we were snagged on like a bell housing bolt or something else. And so that's one thing to look out for. Another thing, this connector, you gotta squeeze and pull up. Don't even worry about the little piece right here, because it doesn't come out. And if it does, it's not easy. Alright, thanks for watching.